Okay. I'm gonna hurry right now.
These people are definitely like, what the fuck's going down?
Okay. I'm gonna hurry right now, so I'll keep this quick. But I'm going to 10 Toes. I gotta go to the bank. Hold on, let me just do all this real quick, and then I will update you guys on what's happening. Alright guys, been about an hour, so I went to Chase, got all that stuff done. That's a long story, but it's all fixed. I'm here at the mall now, waiting for Cam to come out here. I got quite a few pairs I'm gonna drop off here. So now we're gonna do that, and then me and Cam are gonna go do something pretty cool, so you guys will see that in a second. There might not be 15, but there's quite a few. That's enough.
Are those the
Valentine's love ones? Yeah. Dude, she would not stop talking about them.
They're pretty sick though. The hearts on them.
I haven't even seen them.
The quality is so fire.
Quick review, quick review.
No. Yo, these are fire.
They are, especially for girls.
I like how it's not like, I like the color of pink on it.
Perfect,
you know, it's
yeah.
kind of like a.
And the quality's there, like it's well thought out.
These
Great
are
shoe.
so sick.
I'm gonna surprise her with them tonight.
We're trying to figure out how much it's bucket hat is.
I just had to.
So we're at Chick-fil-A now. We got Cam's grandma's whip because I don't think 50 pairs. Wait, I don't think I told him what we're doing. So we're going to Arkansas, like an hour away, 45 minutes, whatever. Pick up some pairs from one of his friends. What was it, 51 or 50?
51 pairs
51
of
pairs.
Yeezy. And it wouldn't fit in the Maserati, so
yeah,
switch it out for the
Yeah,
the number 2 with only pepper jack cheese.
I have an 8-count meal, please. Cam's treating me to lunch. Such a great guy. Actually, he just bought a shout out. Links down in the description below. 10 Toes
Dude,
TV.
you're not supposed to say that I bought it though.
Fuck.
We're friends.
This is 100% organic.
We're friends,
He didn't buy. He didn't do shit. He didn't pay me off. Nothing. Check him out. Links in the description below.
I didn't pay.
You can check out my promo rates on my email. Email me at
Pickles.
Got the goods.
Not pickles.
You don't fuck with pickles?
You like pickles on a Chick-fil-A sandwich?
Yeah. Spices it up a little bit.
No. Not on the sandwich. You get like,
Yeah.
you get that one bite, you'll be eating all like,
You
all
get-
sandwich,
you get
and
the
then you'll
whole
get that
pickle.
one bite and it's a whole pickle and it ruins.
I like it mixed up because I feel like, well, most of the time I get the number 2, not the deluxe. So it's a little plain. I just recently started getting the deluxe. So having the pickle on there isn't really too bad for me.
Pee break. Bruh, I'm timing this 35 seconds.
Holy
Brought to you by UC.
that's fucking funny though. I missed the welcome to Arkansas.
These people are definitely like, what the fuck's going down?
Yeah, people probably have no clue what's going on. I guess next time I'll see you is my show, right?
Probably, unless you got another 50 pairs for me. Sounds good, bro.
All right,
We
hell yeah,
appreciate it,
bro. Hey, nice to meet you, man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, y'all drive safe.
Yes, sir. And that's how easy it is, man.
Yes, sir.
It's just find the people, you know, make the connections, and
That's a big part of it.
it's all just about connections and about who you know, man, and how many people you can like help out.
Do good business, that's a big thing.
Yeah, it's all about good business and good morals, you know, because I've seen people, you know, they have all the potential in the world, like to be great sellers, you know, and really scale like their, you know, reselling business or like Instagram page or anything like that, but you know, they lack in morals, you know, like they might buy a fake pair not knowing that it's fake, and then sell it to somebody, you know?
Yeah, so they don't lose out. That's a big thing.
Yeah, and
it's not worth it. If you guys like,
it's a reputation, you know, like
if you want to do big numbers, especially like grow where Cam's been, like it's good business, you know.
You might screw over one person, but it might be like
you lose like 50 customers because of that, you know.
Yeah, indirectly it can.
Indirectly, it's a big thing. That's some life advice with Cam and Hunter.
Yep. Work hard, never do anybody wrong, and if you do everything that you can to make it right.
Yeah,
that's all.
100%. All right, this is a long ass clip. We're about to head back home. We're back to 10 Toes, unload all these pairs and stuff. I don't really know kind of what's happening.
Checking in, checking out.
Yes, sir.
You want to stack them all up right here and take their picture?
It's just taller than me, bro. I'm 5'10". What the? Oh my god. I was recording. Alright, we got them all in here. I don't know if they're gonna stay, but we'll see. How many was there? 50 something? 60, damn, bro.
With the stuff that, with all these and what we bought in the store.
Yeah.
It's been crazy. It's been crazy. I had to get another pair from the man UnlimitedCop.
Yes, sir.
Because he's always got the heat, and he's always got my size.
And I always got the right price. Yes,
the
sir.
Stadium Green, still the S.
Yes, sir. They're fire. For the next 5 years, let's go.
Thank you, bro, very much for this.
Of course.
If y'all ever need some crazy steals and deals, hit my man UnlimitedCop. He's got you covered.
Of course,
appreciate you, bro.
Yes, sir. I'll see you guys soon.
Yes, sir. Y'all have a good one.
What's up, guys? So we're going over to Cam's today. We have some business and stuff to attend to. So that's pretty much what's happening right now. Super tired. Probably gonna go get some food, head over to Cam's and work on some stuff. Bro, people are driving like dumbasses today. Oh, that person's window's down. But they are, bro. Like, what are you doing? All right, we're at Whataburger now. Went over to Kaylee's for a little bit and took like an hour nap maybe. And then I headed over to Cam's now. Line at Whataburger is like astronomically long. Alright, I'm at Cam's now. I don't know how I'm gonna carry all this shit in, but I am. I always just really hope this is their apartment. I'm not walking unless someone I don't know. Vlog cam right here. What's up? Hi, bro.
That's
appreciate you as always, yes, sir.
Keep it up, bro.
We got some coming, you guys will see soon. We're in the lab. It's gonna be crazy.
Cooking it up.
Yes, sir. Be safe. Holy shit. I was there for like 3 hours. And he has a cat. And the hair was like making my nose run and like, I don't know. We got a lot done. Made some good progress. Some big things coming soon, you guys will see. You might see later this week when I'm in LA.